6. That's the number I need you to remember. The 6 most important pieces to your retirement plan. You see, today it's not good enough just to have a plan. You have to have a plan you understand. That's why we've created RetireSimply. And we've made Simply an acronym for you to remember the 6 most important pieces for your plan. S stands for shelter your money. It is incredibly important that you have a portion of your retirement money protected from the stock market going down. I stands for income generation. You see, without income, you don't have a retirement. You've got to make sure you have plenty of income and that you never run out. M, Medicare and long-term care planning. You know, most people tell us, I just don't want to be a burden to my family as I age, and having a plan for your Medicare and your long-term care is of the utmost importance. P, protect your legacy. Where do you want your stuff to go when you're no longer here? To your family? To your charity? Any place other than probably the federal government. Speaking of the federal government, L stands for less to the IRS. One of the most important pieces to a successful retirement plan is having a tax plan so you know you're paying no more than your fair share of taxes. And lastly, Y, a yearly strategy visit. It's so important that you start looking through the windshield instead of the rearview mirror every year. That you strategize for what's coming up in your retirement and not looking backwards on things you can't change. If RetireSimply sounds like something you think you need, click below and schedule your time to talk with us now.